Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 real-world assets tokens under 100 million market cap. We're going to start with Maker at number 1, followed by ONDO, Mantra, Reserve Rights, Synthetix, TRU, VET, PRCL, Quant, and then we're ending with Polyhedra Network at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Maker against BTC. Here we are for Maker. Anything for Maker? Okay, so for Maker again, we are hoping to see some sort of a strong rally back up, right? And a break of the accumulation over here, right? But now we're in a downtrend. As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for Maker BTC. Against USD, we're also under the skinny pink line, so the bias is bearish for both pairs, which means that we're anticipating the possibility of Maker dropping even lower. How much lower? Again, there's a difference between this drop and this drop. Reason being, there is a chart pattern. There's a mountain range over here. Before we drop, mountain range again, drop. Here, what? Okay, cut this across. Call this a head and shoulders if you want to, but it's not really that high quality. So there's just nothing much for us to work with for Maker USD. ONDO against BTC. Okay, let's look at ONDO against USD. ONDO against USD. Anything for us to work with? No. Head and shoulders? Maybe. Doesn't look good. I still think it's more likely than not we're going to clear these classes of cells here. Right. We might rise up a little bit more, but I suspect that we're going to still come back down and clearly slows, bringing us to potentially 34 cents. Around 34 cents. I think we're setting up a bearish continuation here. I suspect a bearish continuation is in the cards for ONDO towards the downside. I suspect something like this is happening. So yeah, watch out for a potential second mountain. How high could the second mountain go? Again, there is some resistance here. So around this area is what we're anticipating. Right. You can always pull up a Fibonacci retracement and assume that it will go up to the 0.618 area, right? That would be ideal. The ideal spot to rally up to here, 0.618. Come back down, complete a descending triangle. That's it. We drop lower. So as it stands, we're gonna have to wait and see how things go, because there could be surprises and we could still go back higher. But as it stands, I'm expecting us to go lower for ONDO. Mantra against BTC. Mantra is still in an uptrend. We're above the skinny pink line, so more upside to be expected, right? Probably in a consolidation as well, something like this, right? But you can see all the rallies, it's just getting, it's shorter, right? I suspect the next rally that comes will probably be shorter as well. My assumption is that, again, there's a noisy area over here and over here. So we're going to assume that we're going to a pit stop at around 3,000 sats. Right now we're at 1,008, so a little bit more to go towards the upside for BTC. This doesn't mean that just because BTC is rising, USD could be rising as well. It could also be dropping. It's just that potentially Bitcoin could be dropping faster than but the BTC pair is rising because BTC is dropping faster. But of course, the best case is that BTC is rising and is rising even faster, because when things are rising, you make more money than when things are dropping. So as it stands, there's just nothing much for us to work with. This was like a mountain range of sorts, right? Marginally high, and another higher. Say, yo, bro, what's this? Okay, if we come back down, right, this will be the completion of the head. Holding the left shoulder, we get a head, get a right shoulder. It could be dropping past the skinny pink line. So could be setting up for a huge shot. But as it stands, we still don't see the bearish chart pattern yet. We're still open to the possibility of things going to $2, maybe close to $2 first, maybe before it comes back down. But as it stands, we're not going to be rushing into anything for Mantra. Reserve Rights against BTC. Anything for RSR? Nothing much against the BTC pair. Against the USD pair. To be honest, right, this looks like a falling channel, right? by itself, right? But at the same time, we could also be stretching this, right? I think this could still drop lower. The falling channel could still drop lower. When we complete a proper wave C. A up, B down, C. D, E, pump, we go higher. So yeah, that's my take for RSR. Synthetix against BTC. Here we are for Synthetix. Oh, is it a downward trend? Okay, Synthetix has a head and shoulders here. Right. We had a continuation sharp pattern. Bam! We drop lower. It's very, very bearish. I'm going to assume that we're going to drop towards the noisy area over here, which is at 1,005 sats. We're at 2,004. So there's still another 40 to 50% more. But as it stands, yeah, Synthetix is not looking that good. We've already taken out the lows over here, so yeah, you just don't know how much lower things are going to go. TrueFi, True against BTC. Here we are for True. Anything for True BTC? Yeah, again, the assumption is that we're going to form a very nice squeeze here. And by 2025, Q4, pam, we break out. Q4 is in another year's time for 2025. But as it stands, nothing much for us to work with for True BTC. True USD, we are we are under the skinny pink line, so the trend is already switching bearish for us. We could be spending a little bit more time towards the downside. We could sweep these clusters of cells first, right? There could be a rally though, but it's not really looking that good to me. So yeah, TrueFi, there's just nothing much for us to do. VeChain, what's up, Sonny? VeChain against BTC. Ugh, in a downwards trend. And we're almost taking out the all-time lows for VeChain. VeChain is not looking too good. I think VeChain is going to drop lower. Again, noisy area. Very noisy area over here. So we could drop just a little bit more. Right? If we don't take out the lows over here, right, and we see a rally, then VeChain could be setting up maybe a huge descending triangle as it drops lower. Doesn't really look good to me at this point of time. So be careful about rushing to a trade for VeChain. PRCL against USD. We'll look at it on Gate. Anything for PRCL? Nope. We keep seeing lower lows. So low. Right. Are we going to drop past 10 cents first before seeing a strong rally back up? 50 cents? 60 cents? Not too sure. As it stands, yeah, nothing much for us to do with PRCL. Quant. QNT against BTC. So Quant against BTC. Yeah, it's in a very bearish trend. It's just down under the skinny pink line. Right. Again, as long as we cross the skinny pink line, just go with a bearish bias, right? And you will, yeah, the trend is your friend. So, yeah, as it stands, not looking that good for us. Quant against USD. Could we still be dropping lower? Not too sure. Again, you see this noisy area. Where we drop to? Do you see that? Noisy area up to here, right? Yeah, as it stands, not too sure. We still drop lower. Yeah, if we form bearish continuation, more likely than not, so we're gonna drop lower. If we form a bullish reversal, then yeah, we could be heading higher, right? This whole thing could be a very big A, B, C, D, E, and pump. We break higher. But as it stands, yep, not too much for us to work with. ZKJ USDT. And let's look at it on Gate. Yo, bro, what's this? Nope. Where's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I guess that's it for our RWA tokens under 100 million market cap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.